KeyZ Time.
It's KeyZ Time. Hello, my name is Kris KeyZ, and I have a special giveaway just for you. You know, 2020 it's been a rough year for a lot of people, and I felt like I could do something to kind of help get people back in that holiday spirit towards the end of the year. So why not a free online giveaway? And as you can see in the description, this giveaway is for 2 lucky winners. So let's get into the details. All right, so my grand prize winner will receive my 5th generation iPad, 7 free piano lessons, and a Kris KeyZ swag pack with some of my favorite gear. So I've decided to give away my perfectly good iPad, charger, and case to 1 lucky winner in hopes that it helps their musical career and journey as much as it helped mine. You see, I've used this iPad on my gigs, on my performances, and shows all around the world. And I'm excited now that you get a chance to use the iPad for those same reasons, but also more importantly, you can now be able to download my brand new 7-day piano course from a single app, which gets me to my prize number 2 and probably the most value of this giveaway, KeyZ Time Online piano course. That's right, guys. Have you ever tried to impress your friends by playing your favorite song on piano? Maybe stop playing ticky-tack single notes, but real piano chords. Maybe you want to help out your band or church by playing a little piano. You know, after 35 years of playing the piano, I never would imagine I'll be able to crack the code and create the ultimate 7-day piano crash course. I strategically created 7 fun and creative piano lessons that all include video tutorials, PDF downloads, and play along backing tracks so you can learn and practice at your own pace. And just because it's that holiday season, I really want you to get excited. I'm also going to include 1 free bonus lesson from my KeyZ Time Online Volume 2 series, a total of over a $300 value, guys. And for my 3rd prize, 2 winners will receive the Kris KeyZ swag pack. I'm talking shirts, hats, beanies, jackets, pullovers. I packaged together some of my greatest and favorite gear and sending it right to you. Okay, for all of this, is it free to enter? And the answer to that is absolutely yes. This is a free giveaway. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, put in a valid email address, and share on social media to all your friends using the hashtag KeyZ Time Online. But don't wait too long. This won't last forever. The deadline is December the 6th, and I will be announcing a winner on my YouTube page December the 7th. All right, guys, good luck. You know what time it is. It's KeyZ Time.